this method is issue of shares for immediate full consideration. Okay, so under that we'll do it for the first method for cash consideration. As I already taught you the different theoretical part in the other videos. If you need any reference, you can just go through that. So this is I'll work out sum number 3, which is in page number 1.109. So this is again a simple sum. Generalize the following transaction. So here, if you see in the sum, they have given 4 different situations. So the first one, if you see, X Limited issued 40,000 shares of 10 each for cash. The whole amount is duly received. So this from the question itself, you can see this is issue at par. The next one, Y Limited issued 10,000 shares of rupees 10 each for cash at a premium of rupees 2 each. The whole amount is duly received. So second entry will be for premium. Third entry, Z Limited issued 1 lakh shares of 10 each for cash at a discount of 10%. The whole amount is duly received. The third entry is issue at discount. And the last entry, TB Limited issued 20,000 shares of 10 each to a promoter for the service render. So this is again for cash consideration with another method. So if it is promoter, then you have to mention it as goodwill account debtor. Now we'll move on to the answers. So for the first question, you know it is very simple. Bank account debtor to share capital, 40,000 shares at rupees 10 each, 4 lakhs. And second is the premium entry, where the premium, if it is security premium, then it will be credited. So the journal entry goes like bank account debtor to share capital to securities premium, where being the shares issued at premium. So the narration is very important, and I expect you to write it for every journal entry. And so 1,20,000, share capital will be 1 lakh and security premium will be 20,000. And the third entry is the discount entry. So discount, it will be in the debit side. Bank account debtor, discount on shares account debtor to share capital. Okay. So here it is 10,000 shares. So 1 lakh is the discount and 9 lakhs is the amount which is receivable. And the last entry, as I told you, it is promoters. If it is promoter, then there is no tangible consideration. So you mention it as goodwill account debtor to share capital. So what is the amount? It is 2 lakhs. So being shares issued to the promoter for the service render. So that's it. So this is a simple sum where you might get it in this model. So they'll give you situations and they'll ask you to journalize the following.